Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Let's make this yummy healthy avocado salad. So to make this yummy salad, I'll be using some ripe avocados, tomatoes, and a cucumber. I've thoroughly washed all of them, so what I will do is to go ahead and cut or slice them. I will also be adding a little ball of purple onion. And some fresh parsley. And now we have all our ingredients well prepped. So the next thing we're going to do is to assemble all into our mixing bowl. Camera was not on. Oh my god. Try God. I've added everything together. I've just mixed everything together. I didn't know my camera was not on. Try. I just sprinkled everything. I didn't know my camera wasn't on. So that was what happened. Pardon me. So for the dressing, I'll be using about a tablespoon of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is homemade pressed lemon juice. Yes. Salt to taste, and also some black pepper to taste. When I say to taste, that is add according to your taste, the amount you can tolerate, especially for the pepper. For the salt, just a pinch of salt will do. Then mix everything together and serve. And here we have our avocado salad. Very yummy and healthy avocado salad mixed with cucumber, tomatoes, onions, and parsley. Just few ingredients and you will have your beautiful and yummy healthy salad. I hope you enjoy this and I hope you will be giving it a try. You can also save some in the refrigerator if you wish to. You can serve this as a side dish or a main meal, especially if you are watching your weight. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.